Today we installed this iDig system in roughly 45 minutes. Nothing's welded. Each sensor is stuck on with double-sided 3M stick tape, which is a very quick installation process and it's extremely durable. We've got 4 sensors. We've got a bucket, a stick, a boom, and a body. They're all wireless. I connect them all and then I connect it into my screen, and after that we make sure everyone is turned on. We get them calibrated. To calibrate it, I turn my system on. Basically initiate my bucket with my teeth face down, and then we get the calibrations. We measure, we pull tape, and make sure everything adds up.
So the install appeared to be pretty straightforward. I mean, they didn't have to cut anything on my machine. They didn't have to take anything off. It was very easily done. As far as setting it up, of course, Benchmark, iDig folks, they have highly trained personnel, and that helps with the whole process of learning. The iDig system, from what I could see, ask you questions and you answered them, so it helps you through the process. You don't have to have a college degree to be able to operate it.